Okay, hello everyone. How are you guys doing? Now let's start the second lesson. Open the second file, Flow Landscape. And I already opened this picture. As you can see, this landscape. So we will build this model. And click this triangle corner. You can drag the dialog box to here, or you can just leave the arrow here and hold it for 2 seconds. You can still get the dialog box. Click Flow Along Curve and select Object to flow along a curve, this object. So for beginners, you should always pay attention to here. It will tell you the next step, okay? And right click, click Base Curve and Target Curve. This blue line is Target Curve. So you can right click or press Enter key or press Space key to repeat previous command. Now I'm going to do right click and select the object to flow along a curve. Right click, Base Curve, Target Curve. Okay, one more time. Right click, select object, right click, Base Curve. And always leave stretch yes, okay? And target curve. As you can see, this landscape has two different objects, right? This two is different. So that's why I choose this one and then that one by one. Okay, so that's how we do this shape. And you may notice that my interface's color is different from yours. That's because I have these plugins. So let me show you how it works. I will draw a sapphire here. This is blue, right? But when I do left click, it will become red. Left click, orange, blue, light blue, yellow, light yellow. So if you are interested in these plugins, you can add them yourself. And I already put these plugins in the package. Okay? Okay, that's it. And you can practice right now. Thank you.